Hey guys, Aditya back here with another unboxing video. Let's see what's in the box. Yeah, I got this. So small. What's this? These are Flipkart Smartbuy earphones. Yeah, it comes with a bag of earphones, braided cable, which is always nice, and a pack of earbuds. And we have I like the sound of people, but only when they are silent. These are metal. It has a metal back and a very good build quality. So in the next segment, we will test. So, one, two, three. Hello, now I've came here to test the earphones. This is my French place, by the way.
A few moments later.
I listened my favorite music in these earphones, and I think that the bass is pretty decent. The sound is pretty crisp, and it has a crystal clear audio clarity. I totally recommend you these earphones. You can buy it from Flipkart. It just cost about 340 rupees, which is the cheapest in the Flipkart Smart Buy earphones range. All the links in the description. Thank you. So now we have came to the last part of the video, and let me share the tip of the day. If you have any Xiaomi device, and you will get in audio enhancer options. If you plug the earphone, go to music and play any music, you will get this option, and after you will get headphones and audio effects. After clicking in this, you will get many options. I have tested each and every one, and with the youth edition you will get a great sound with a decent bass, and in me in air you will also get very good sound, but don't try the capsule one because you won't get the good sounds. And bus, thank you for watching.